Cat in Lancaster. We've got a prior gutter helmet customer that is interested in getting a new roof. There's 2 layers of shingles on here. They got zinc strips on the back to help keep the mold. You can see the helicopters that are on the roof from the maple seeds. Okay, right now those helicopters, you know, the gutter helmet's keeping them from getting into the gutters. So in the scheme of things, this helmet has to go off, be removed and reinstalled. We're going to end up probably converting something over on this back section because the flat roof is a little bit of a challenge for that. So, and you usually get more of a collection of the buildup at the front valleys, or at the valleys of the house, which is obviously the case here. So, you can see how those get accumulated there, and now they're just falling over the gutter. So in the scheme of things, this helmet should go back. I mean, if they paid for it, it should come off and go back on. They also have a heat tracing system. You can see it in the valleys that goes down and ties them down south. So this helmet has to come off. Somebody's calling out specs to wrap the fascia board with ice shield to create a maze for ice backup. That's exactly what that gutter helmet does. So in order to do that, we would have to give them a whole new gutter system, and these gutters are only less than 5 years old. So I recommend not. So it's not the right specification to do that. So we'll see what they do.